GMC Savana repair cost. GMC, formerly the General Motors Truck Company, or the GMC Truck and Coach Division, is a division of the American automobile manufacturer General Motors that primarily focuses on trucks and utility vehicles. GMC currently makes SUVs, pickup trucks, vans, and light-duty trucks, catered to a premium-based market. A large, traditional, rear-wheel drive passenger or cargo van. The 2020 GMC Savana is a tried-and-true commercial vehicle. Unlike many of its competitors, the full-size Savana still uses a ladder-type frame, a design similar to GMC's full-size pickup trucks, the Sierra 1500 and the Sierra HD. This body-on-frame construction has proven durable and dependable over the years and allows the Savana to tow up to 10,000 pounds and boast a maximum payload capacity of 4,312 pounds. Its ride and handling, however, aren't quite as car-like as some of its rivals. The Savana is available as a passenger vehicle with seating for as many as 15 or as a cavernous cargo van. Several engines, including a couple of V8s, are offered as well, 2 wheelbases and a few trim levels. Servicing a GMC Savana, like any vehicle, is essential to maintain its reliability, safety, and performance. Regular maintenance helps prevent breakdowns, prolongs the life of your vehicle, and can even improve fuel efficiency. Here are some common service tasks and maintenance items to consider for your GMC Savana. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine properly lubricated. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change interval. Typically every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or as specified in your owner's manual. Tire maintenance. Check and maintain proper tire pressure regularly. Rotate the tires as recommended to ensure even wear. Inspect the tires for signs of damage or excessive wear. Brakes. Inspect the brake pads and rotors regularly for wear. Replace brake pads and rotors as needed. Ensure that the brake fluid is at the correct level and replace it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Fluids. Regularly check and top up all essential fluids, including engine coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Replace fluids as needed according to your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Air filters. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter as recommended. A clogged air filter can reduce engine performance and air quality inside the vehicle. Battery. Test the battery regularly, especially in extreme weather conditions, to ensure it holds a charge. Replace the battery when it shows signs of weakness. Belts and hoses. Inspect and replace serpentine belts, timing belts, and hoses as needed. Damaged or worn belts and hoses can lead to engine overheating or failure. Suspension and steering. Check the suspension and steering components for wear and damage. Replace components like shocks, struts, and tie rods when necessary to maintain ride quality and safety. Exhaust system. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks, rust, or damage. Replace any damaged components to maintain proper emissions and performance. Lights and wipers. Regularly check and replace headlights, taillights, turn signals, and wiper blades as needed to ensure visibility and safety. Fuel system. Keep the fuel system clean by using high-quality fuel and periodically using fuel system cleaners. Check for fuel leaks and address them promptly. Routine inspections. Consider having regular inspections performed by a qualified mechanic to catch any issues early and ensure your vehicle is in good working condition. Follow the owner's manual. Always refer to your GMC Savana's owner's manual for specific maintenance intervals and recommendations from the manufacturer.